Hi everyone, welcome on my channel. This is Manisha. I am here to improve my spoken English and welcome on my 5-minute English speaking challenge. So it's rained today in the morning and there is a little sunlight, little with a sprinkle. With sprinkle means a little rain with sunlight. Okay, that was happened in today and after raining it's feel like a cold breeze and fresh air, and as I am recording myself on the roof, so I'm clearly able to feel cool breeze, chilly air. So it's a like fresh feeling, and I eagerly wait in winter for the rain. And I know many people do not like rain, especially in winter, because it makes environment or more cooler. But but I feel like it is work like a natural cleanser, especially in winter, because after a November and when the winter is about to hit, it's in northern part of India, especially in metro cities, they faces a pollution and due to stubble burning and emission burning. So that makes challenging for the people who have a prone lungs, and I think it's become difficult for every age group, for the small to old people, but all people it's become difficult for all people, and but it's become challenging for those who has prone lungs. So uh, I could say I could say that after raining, it's make environment clean and pure, and it's like fresh air. So I could, after a long smoky days, it's like it's like fresh feeling. I am able to feel that, and it also clean the environment and making environment fresh. So especially it's when it's become difficult for the people when the AQI crosses their level, its level, and if it crosses 300 to 400, it becomes so much difficult, and environment has become so smoky and polluted and impure. But after raining, it's cleaning. And what do you people feel that what you have perception about the raining in winter? I really enjoy rain in winter actually, because smoky environment is like after smoky environment, smoky means like it's a mix of impure air and mix of polluted environment and with fog. So I could say after a long time, it's like a second rain of the winter, of this winter. So and today was happened heavy rain, it's like pouring means like heavy, it's a heavy rain and filled with water, area was filled with water. So and really I'm feeling so fresh today, and it is like a breathable environment now. I environment is quite you people could see the freshness on my face, and my hair is blowing and moving. So and wind air is blowing, and so I'm really enjoying this weather. Yeah. And what to say next, I'm not understanding. I have taken a challenge to speak 5 minutes, and I'm not understanding what I should with what I should continue, so that I could complete my 5-minute English speaking challenge. So okay, let's see and how many days this breathable environment will remain same. Otherwise, in metro cities, the condition has become so pathetic because of the pollution, and so it's like, because after raining, I feel really I feel next level. The mood is completely changed, because of pollution. It also affect our eyes, our hair, our overall our mood as well. But after raining, it's sometimes it's like our mood switch to a pleasant feeling. So now the weather is so pleasant and could say happy environment, and you could see the trees and the leaves of the trees are moving. So and so views will also look like very pleasant. Okay, so thank you. I think I have done till 5 minutes. I have already spoken. Thank you.